Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I am about to make a YouTube video, and this video is the whole process of making it. So before I come to the camera, I do a little bit adjustment of the light. Camera is very much a sensitivity of the contrast of light. So I need to put some color on the lip. And the light is on the back. As you can see, I have a top light. That does not look good on me. I know by myself, I do not look good. That is okay. But still, I can make it a little bit better. So here is the light. You can see here. This is the light I am about to use. So I will put it into my direction. So other people can use ring light. You can use ring light or something. But this one looks like my face is like an oil field. It's just too much. So I put a piece of tissue paper. If I'm further enough, I use a thinner paper. And now I am quite close, so I can use this thick paper. Now I get a piece of rubber band. Now this way I can put it, see, this is on my face direction. But the backdrop light is too strong. Let's take a look. The backdrop light, this is the backlight on top of my head. So I have white here, which is good, but that is a little bit too strong. I can turn it down a little bit. So let's take a look now. Now the light is much more on my face. This may not look so good because I did not wear glasses. I cannot see very well. And in front of camera, in front of a light source, try to avoid use glasses. If you have an expensive glass which does not reflect, it's okay. But my glass is cheap glass, something like 4 pairs, $16. So it's, of course, you can see the light. So I do not wear glasses. The benefit of it, first, I do not see myself. So I do not need to worry if I look good or not. Anyway, I can first, I cannot see without glasses. I cannot see myself so that I can focus. I do not need to look at the camera to count my freckles or to see, oh, the lip is not good, my eyebrow is not good, because I cannot see. It just invisible, all these problems, so that I can focus on it. And also, this is my home. So it's not the best professional setting. So I set the light into, this is iPhone, there is a cinematic mode. What does it mean? It focuses on my face. You can see there is a square that focuses on my face. You cannot see, I can see. So so it focuses on my face move, it moves around, and it blurs the backdrop. So all these things you will not see very clearly. So it focuses on my face. I put cinematic mode. And I am in front of a tripod, in front of a twisted leg tripod. I will show you the tripod right now. So the backdrop light seems a little bit dark, so that you can see, you see there is a reflection. So it's better to make the top light or the backdrop light a little bit lighter so that it does not have this shade. I have my husband bought the professional light. I was thinking, put it here, and I sleep here. It just too much things. Make things as simple as possible, as less complicated as possible, as less as possible, so that you can focus on the real thing. So let's see the setup. Now I will turn a little bit lighter here. And this may not look so good. I put it on the side. As long as it is out of the camera view, viewfinder, it should be okay. Whatever is happening there, goo is there and trash is there, you cannot see. That is sufficient. So that's it. Now we will take a look at the tripod. Why am I so stable, not moving around? Because I have a tripod and it is important. Okay, now let's take a look at the camera or at the light setting. I use two computers so that the computer is directly project. The big one is directly project the screen. It's not an extension or two screens different. They are exactly the same. So that is less complicated for me. One thing, and also it just make it larger size. As we get old, our eyes just losing eyesight. So this is the only way I can do it. And sorry. So there are times I use wide screen. You can see I choose a wide screen and make it to the full screen. So this is one way of light source. This is my light source. First, I have my top light, and then I have this screen light as a light source. If I do not use wide screen, there are times I use this colorful screen. Remember the first time. The other time I use this ambiance light screen so that it reflects to my face, make it more interesting. You can find all kinds of screen on the internet. Light screen, white screen, blue screen, or a forward screen, any kind of screen. So this is my light source. Sometimes I like it with changing color, make my face sometimes red, as if I am shy. Sometimes my face is green, as if I am a Grinch, or Shrek, or Fiona. Anyway, so that is the light source. So the light source here, here, and my top light. That is my light source. Relatively simple. Okay, here I will show you. This one is the camera. This is an old camera already breaking up. So I fix my camera on top. There is a microphone, and I use iPhone, so it's a lightning set, lightning connection. But this one is not. You just get the idea. So I fix my camera like this. This is the lighting set, and some of the podcasters with a microphone in front of the mouth. I do not I do not need to make my sound so loud. So this one is good enough. And sometimes I use this tripod. There are times I use tripod. If I do cooking, I will not use this one. I have several tripod. Yeah, because when you have husband, you usually end up have more than you need. Well, I don't mean that your husband is more than you need. Men buy more things than needed. That is for sure. Okay, that is my setting. Okay, uh, this one I have a charger. Anytime when I am not using my cell phone to do the shooting, immediately I charge it, recharge it, so that when I do the video, it still have some energy, right? But still, there are times I am running out of battery. So that is one thing I would like to suggest. You always have a recharging source, no matter it's wireless or with a wire. So I am using with a wire. That is it. And whenever I think about something, I write out the idea. So, for example, for this video, my idea is very simple. I want to talk about niche. This is the previous video. I just want to talk about one thing. And I make sure each time I do not write too many. When I was a student, we we prepare for college examination and things, and the teacher always have so many points. Point 1, point 2, point 3, point 24 points, 40 points. And if you go to YouTube, search for ideas or search for advice, people have many points, 20 points, 20 things you need to do to make a good video, or 50 things, 50 ideas that you can implement in your video. That's too many. Write down one thing or two things, and each time focus on one thing. I focus on one thing, that is niche. What is this little comfortable, confident little gadget, little secret place that I have? And what make you different? What make me different? And the rest, I will let inspiration, I will let the flow take me. What makes me different? What is my weakness? What is my strength? Why my weakness is my strength? Why my strength could be my curse? Could be my doom. I could be doomed by the strength. And if you do business, what do you want to do to avoid competition, to avoid losing authenticity? All the ideas come out. And the main point is only one thing. It's about you, about your niche. So that's those kind of empty talk kind of podcast. And there are times I make it a little bit more so that I prepare. YouTube videos care about you. You are paid for how to make a Pinterest video, and for these are the YouTube video topics. One video is care about what you are paid for. Oh, I forgot this. Forget about it. How to make Pinterest video. This is one. one friend suggestion for all the husband we love, and it's another video idea I have not yet implemented, but that's a video idea. And you really mattered, you really mastered communicating, communicating a story or idea in a few seconds. Skillshare need a shout out. So those are all the ideas. I do sometimes the idea come in such a short time. Later on, I do not even remember it, but it's something that instantaneously come, and I instantaneously carry out, and it becomes a full story, and then I forget it, and I move on. And all these papers sometimes just tear it off, and then I'm done with it. Do not want to leave a lot of burden in my life. I do not want to keep a heavy notebook. Who goes back to watch those books? I do not. So that's about the idea carry out. Okay? So when you have an idea, write it down. Some words which is very important for that moment. Later on is not important. Something you need, that freshness of idea, that spice of the idea. With time, it will fade away. Catch it before it fades away. Okay, that's about it. This is how I make a talking head kind of video. Just empty talk, blah, 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 in front of the camera. And see, with time, your lips get wear off. Put on some more lipsticks, put some more, drink some water, and get yourself in the best spirit. All you need to do is one thing, one thing, one thing, one thing. Press the record button. Are you pressing it? Do it.